Hi, I'm Lisa Satin from the Satin Crystals boutique. These black, long, interesting shaped specimens are called Tektites. Tektite is an Impactite meteorite, which means that when a meteorite lands on Earth, it hits the surface of the Earth and causes the rock to change formations. Here is a glassy substance called black tektite. Black tektite can be found all around the world. These long massage wand type pieces are from China. You can see they're really interesting with porous surfaces. Tektites are great for those working with the extraterrestrial energies, channeling down messages from aliens and higher beings. They're also great for people that just love space and collecting meteorites. To get your own unique piece of black tektite, please visit the Satin Crystals boutique. We have a number of pieces for you to choose from. To learn more about meteorites and other stones, please visit the Satin Crystals boutique, like, share, and subscribe to the Satin Crystals channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.